as a mom of 3 kids, if I have my husband and I and a couple kids, this has a pull down bunk bed, which we'll talk about in a second. There's always things everywhere. Check out this corner storage for everything you need out and about. Baby things, diapers, wipes, whatever you need. This bed is a full queen bed. And I feel like this area of the room has so much space. Even with the bunk beds pulled down, which they do at night, there's a ton of space over here with all the couch, with more drawers and another vanity. This feels like the biggest space that I've seen on a cruise line. Lots of shelves, lots of drawers. There's a hair dryer and something to put your hot styling tools on. More drawers for storage. And then here is a fridge. That's different. What the heck is that? Fridge drawer. Lots more storage. And then I really like this one too. I feel like this would be great for kids' clothes. An entire other storage cabinet. Now, one of the coolest things that I love about Disney ships that I have not seen is right here. Can you believe an entire bunk bed is right here? So at night you can request that they pull this down. They can put Disney and character sheets on, which are really fun. And this will just pull down with that ladder that we saw in the closet. And you can have kids and they're so much fun and not everybody's cramped and you still have plenty of space to walk around at night. What a cool experience. If you need help and you're not sure where to find the right room, or if your kids love a certain character, our agents can help you find all of that. We have the most incredible agents that can help you book a room on the Disney Destiny, any Disney cruise or Disney location, and lots more. Just click the link below and we'd be happy to help. If you want to see other rooms on the Disney Destiny, we're going to show you all the staterooms that we can while we're here, so just click the link.